I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a thinking question for you on mixed fractions. The question is, state the multiplication problem represented by each area model. Use the model to determine each product. So we have two different questions here. So this is part A and this is part B. I'll do one of them for you. The other one is for you to answer, right? So that is your practice question. So I'll solve the first one. So let us try to understand what this question is. It says, state the multiplication problem represented by each area model. So for a rectangle, what is area? Well, for a rectangle, length times width is area, right? So we say area equals to length times width. Now in this question, what is the length? Length is this much as 2 and then 3 by 4. So length could be written as 2, 3 by 4, right? So that is the length. And the width is 1.5. 1.5. So that is the problem. So when we multiply them, we get the area. So that is what is the first statement. State the multiplication problem represented by each area model. You get it? So we are trying to use this model to multiply these two mixed numbers, 2, 3 by 4 times 1.5, right? Now we will find what is the product of these mixed fractions, right? So product of mixed fractions we'll find by finding sum of partial area. So that is the strategy. So what do we mean by that? It means, well, in this figure you can see we have 4 different rectangles. If I multiply 1 by 2, so what do I get? I get area of this rectangle, which is 2. If I multiply half by 2, I get 1. So that is the area of this rectangle. How about 1 times 3 by 4? The area will be 3 over 4, and half of 3 over 4 will be 3 over 8. Do you get it? So that is to say that product of these fractions, the mixed fractions, will be sum of these areas, sum of partial areas. That is the meaning, right? So we can add them up. We got 2 plus 1 plus 3 over 4 plus 3 over 8. Now 2 plus 1 is 3 plus, let's have common denominator. So we could write this as 6 over 8 plus 3 over 8, right? So that gives us as equals to 3 plus 6 plus 3 is 9, so 9 over 8. Now 9 is improper, right? So 1 over 8, correct? So we could write this as 3 plus 1 over 8, which is indeed equals to 3 plus 1, 4 wholes, and 1 over 8. And that means the product of these two mixed fractions is 4, 1 over 8. So we can write that 2, 3 over 4 times 1.5 is equals to 4 eighths. So that is how this problem can be solved, right? I hope you've understood all these steps. Now you solve this particular question. Follow all these steps. Write down what should be the two mixed fractions which are getting multiplied. Add their partial areas and find the answer. I hope you'll enjoy that. Thank you and all the best.